How to upload images to Roblox. So first of all, we need to open a link or type a link that are just like this: create.roblox.com. Again, create.roblox.com, and it will opens you a page just like this, the creator hub. Okay, and what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just click the dashboard right here. All right, then you're gonna wait for a few moments, and here you will see the dashboard right in front of you. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna just click the development items. So after I click on it, I'm gonna wait, and here you will see models, packages, plugins, audio, decals. I'm gonna just hit decals. I'm gonna wait for a few moments, and here it says upload asset. So I'm gonna just go ahead right here and upload asset, and I'm gonna just add a picture. I'm gonna wait. Let's say for example I'm selecting this one, okay, and this picture. And here, if you want to add a name to it, or if you want to add a description of this picture, you can do that, and you're gonna just hit upload. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.